Hey guys, Zara here. So today's video is just going to be me getting ready for a night out. I'm heading to the city tonight for a friend's birthday drinks and I thought I would film myself doing my makeup. Now, a little disclaimer, I am actually filming close to sunset, so I do apologize if the lighting changes during this video, but I did want to film this for you guys because I know I haven't been uploading as much content as I used to, and now I guess I'm just kind of in the mood ever since filming with my cousin last weekend. I just want to kind of do as much content as I can these days and kind of make time for it like I used to. So yeah, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I already did my toner and my serum, so I need something to hydrate my skin. I might go in with the MAC Prep and Prime Essential Oils. My skin isn't the best right now. It's that time of the month, so I'm just getting a lot of congestion and a few breakouts, as you can see around here. But I found that this oil is hydrating without really clogging up my skin, so I'm gonna go in with this. And I'll just do it like that. Now, these essential oils do have a very strong scent, so it's a scent I personally like. It's grapefruit and chamomile, so I really like it, but I know that, you know, not everyone likes scents in their products, so definitely check it out in store if you can first. I don't know how to describe it. It's very like a woody, outdoorsy, forest type smell. Now, just to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm just going to use some of the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW30. Reason being, I have had this for years. I originally bought it to highlight when that really strong highlighting contouring was really in, but I don't reach for it as much anymore because obviously, like, I prefer to have a concealer more my skin tone, not 10 shades lighter. So I'm just going to use it to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow instead. And whilst that looks completely ridiculous, I am going to set it with a little bit of Studio Fix powder in the shade NC42. So for eyeshadow today, I think I'm going to go in with the new Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I haven't really used this in a video. Like, I used it in the Get Ready With Me last weekend, but I haven't really used it in a video as of yet. So I might start off with the shade Bing as a transition shade. And now, just to deepen things up, I'm going to go in with the shade Devlish right next to that. Now, just to blend out the crease work I have here, I'm going to go in with the shade Feelz with a Z. Feelz. So next I'm going to take a little bit more of that concealer and just create a very light kind of half cut creasing on the inner part here. And then I'm going to pack on some of, I think we're going to go in with the shade Ambitious today, or maybe Bang Bang. I'm still unsure, but we'll see how we feel. So I think I'm going to go with the shade Bang Bang, which is the lightest kind of metallic shade at this end. And then for the outer part, and just to blend that in, I'm going to go in with the deeper shade in the palette called Privacy. So what's happened is the brown eyeshadow, where the concealer just kind of ends, the brown eyeshadow is really stuck to it and it's really obvious, whereas like out here it's pretty much gone invisible on top of the deep cherry shades that I used. For foundation, I am going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC44. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This has a coconut scent, hence why it's a coloured bottle. on my brush, and then I'm going to use that to apply my foundation. I just found this really hydrates my skin at the same time, and also it reduces the coverage of my foundation a little bit, so it will become more of a light to medium instead of a medium to full coverage. Next, I'm going to use my practically finished Marc Jacobs full cover concealer. Now I am going to use the Benefit Brow to define my eyebrows. I'm then going to take a little bit of the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter just to set my brows in place for the night. Next, I am just going to take the shade Devlish and just apply that tightly to my lower lash line. I'm just going to be taking one of the MAC products from their Christmas collection. This is the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact in Medium Deep, and it just looks like this, and it has a contour, blush and highlighter on the inside there. And I'm going to go in with all three of these products. This looks like a bit of a contour slash bronzer, so I might just go all over with it. So I just used the MAC Bad and Bold Lash Mascara. It has the little mascara one for lower lashes and a big one for the top lashes. And I actually quite like this look, so I don't think I'm going to be using falsies today. So I'm going to move on to lips and use the MAC Spice Lip Pencil to line my lips and fill them in. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using one of the new MAC powder lipsticks. This is in the shade Burning Love. I am going to spritz my face with the MAC Fix Plus Matte Spray, and this will just help keep everything a little bit matte for a little bit longer, as well as just help my makeup kind of melt into my skin a little bit and melt together and not look so unblended, I guess. And that is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!